I'm going to be reviewing our Samsung induction stove. Right now, we have had it maybe about a month or so. I really do like it. Let me show you what it looks like inside the oven and the little warming drawer and all that good stuff. And then I'll show you my favorite part about the induction stovetop. So here's a little warming drawer. It's really tiny. Just have a couple of pans in there. Great for pan storage. Great to keep everything warm, obviously. It's because of my rug. There we go. It's all closed. Now we're going to open the oven. Really nice and shiny. Really like the oven. I've cooked a few things in here already. Baking, air frying, all that good stuff. The controls are really nice. It starts with the off setting. You have to push it in to use it. And it goes all the way up to 9, which is boost. There are a few functions on here. The bake function, convection roast, broil, and my favorite, the air fry. I really enjoy using that setting. It acts just like a smaller air fryer would. Here we have the little buttons. We have the start, the timer. You can actually pair it with your phone to turn it on and off with your smartphone. Oven light, of course. Then the other side of the dials. And there is the range. Now I am going to show you what my favorite thing about the range is. I'm going to take my pan. I'm going to fill it up with a little bit of water. And then we're going to go and put it on the stove. So as you can see, I already put my pan on the stove with the water inside. And we are going to turn it on to a 9 to see what it does. And as you can tell, it's already starting to boil. Let me turn this off here. And if you see there, that is the 9 and that is the boost. And it tells you where it is on the stove. I also like these little lights. And they do go down with every setting that you turn it. So we're on a 9. Water is boiling. Now we're on an 8. Still kind of boiling. We're on a 6. Lights are a little lower there. Now we're on a 3. Now we're on a 1. And now it's going back to staying still. That was pretty fast. See, now that we're on a 1, I'm going to take off the pan. And that tells me that there is nothing on there. Now if I touch over here where the pan was not, it is very cool to the touch. I do love that. That way it only heats up the pan and not the whole stove. Also, if I use the oven portion, it does the same. The top stays cool and the oven's the one that is warm. I like that function just because I like to put stuff on top on the range, and it allows me to, let's turn this off. It allows me to keep my stuff cool up on the range and not warm up because the stove is warm. All right, so this was my review. Again, this is this Samsung Induction. And I think it's pretty awesome.